Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you today these tags that I've been making, and I've been using a free motion embroidery technique to write my words on there with my sewing machine. So I'm going to show you today how I did that. Now these are just pieces of upholstery fabric samples, so I just took the picture that was in there and I just wrote words and things around it. So it's really very easy to do. Stick with me. I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, I hope you can see what I'm doing, and I'm going to try to get in here and do this in a way you can see it. I have my feed dogs dropped. I have my darning foot on, and I'm just using black thread, and I just have a piece of kind of coarse fabric here, and I'm writing on my fabric with this pen. It's a friction pen, and it is heat erasable, so that if you don't follow your lines exactly, it's okay, because all you got to do is touch it with the heat gun or with an iron, and you can erase it. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to drop your needle right at the beginning of your word. So I really hope you can see this. I'm going to try to work around the camera. And I'm just doing a couple of locking stitches. And then I'm moving the fabric because the feed dogs are down. So I am moving the fabric and I'm just tracing over my line. And again, remember, if you miss your line, it's okay. It'll all disappear in the end when you put some heat to it. See, I missed my Y a little bit, but that's okay. And this is for junk journals and all, so it doesn't have to be exact. Now at the end, I did a couple of locking stitches. I cut my thread. You can go down here like for the dot of the J. I'm going to dot that, and I'm just going to do a couple of stitches in place there, and then I'm going to cut it. Now lots of times I'll take a seed bead, and I will just sew a seed bead on there because I love that look. And then all you're going to do here is cut off, see where I traveled. Uh-oh, sorry, I'm bumping the camera because I'm right on top of it. Because I traveled over there. So now I'm going to show you how this works. I'm not going to get my iron out, but I have this, well, I did it again. I'm so sorry. This heat tool, I hope you can see that, all right? And all I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the heat on. I'm going to shine it on the word joy. And you'll see that ink disappears immediately. So now you really can't tell that I missed the word, can you? Not bad, huh? Okay, so let's do the word believe. Let's see if we can get to that one. So I'm going to drop my needle right at the beginning. I'm going to lock it a little. And you can go as fast or as slow as you want to, but it does work better if you stick with cursive so that all the letters are hooked together. If you do it in, if you don't do it in cursive, then you've got to stop and cut your thread at the end of every word, and that's kind of a hassle. So cursive works a lot better, and it works very fast. I want you to see how quickly this goes. It's a very easy process. Do a couple at the end to lock it, cut your thread, and I'm going to go back and I'm going to dot that I by just doing a few little dots here and there. Cut your thread again. Ta-da. Now, very, very simple. That's really all there is to it. Now, it does take a little bit of practice, but the fun thing is it doesn't have to be perfect. Nothing has to be perfect. As you can see in some of these that I've done, I mean, it's not perfect. It's all kind of, you know, it's junk journaling. It's junk journal fun. So take the idea of writing around a picture or a flower if you want to. And just have fun. Now these, I'm going to cut them out with pinking shears, and I'll stitch some kind of design around them, and then I'm going to add them to something like junk journal pages or tags or snippet rolls or anything like that. So anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you have fun with it. Bye-bye.